Angela. Thank you for joining me here on this video. It's late afternoon and I'm just about to prepare and cook my dinner. So let me show you what I'm going to make. So guys, this is my dinner on a budget and I'll show you what I've got. So I've got some prawns that I had left over from yesterday's lunch. So I'm going to use them all up because I don't want them to go off. And then yesterday I picked up some salmon. It was reduced. And I always look out for bargains. I'm a real bargain hunter. So if healthy food is being reduced, I will often pick it up. I picked up some haddock yesterday, but that's gone in the freezer. So it comes with a dill coating and a mustard and dill sauce. So I'm going to use the sauce. So I'm going to use the sauce as part of the cooking process. Then I have some of these sun-kissed cherry tomatoes. I love the flavour of those. They're really juicy. So I'm going to use those, but I'm going to cook them down with some frozen red sliced onion and some frozen sliced tomatoes. I've always got frozen fruits and veg in the freezer because it's so handy. They're already sliced and prepped. And it saves money because I only use a little bit at a time, so it works really well for me. So some spices that I'm going to use. I love my spices and always have spices available. So I'm using some hot paprika. I bought that yesterday in Lidl and I used it with my prawns for lunch and it was really nice. It's got a nice chilli flavour. So I'm going to use some of that as well as a little extra chilli powder, some black peppercorns and my Himalayan pink salt. I prefer to use Himalayan rock salt or pink salt over the table salt, or sometimes I will use sea salt flakes, the Cornish flakes. So that's just a personal preference. And then I'm going to use a dash of basil in this dish. So guys, that's going to be my dinner. So I'll show you what it looks like when I finish cooking it. So guys, this is my finished dish. Now that took me literally 5 minutes using the frozen onions and frozen mushrooms, and then I stirred in half the pot of the tomatoes, so you can see I've still got half a pot left. I then stirred in the prawns and I've used the remainder of that packet, which there's only half the quantity left. And then I put in half the salmon. So I'll use this salmon tomorrow morning as part of my breakfast. And I'll probably do something like eggs Benedict or maybe scrambled eggs with salmon on toast, something like that, just to use it up. And then I use the dill sauce that came with the salmon and I just stirred that into the pan with all my other spices. I've had a quick taste and it tastes lush, totally lush. So it's quick, it's simple, it's really healthy. It's low fat as well and very nutritious. And I've just served it on a bed of fresh spinach leaves. So there you go, my spicy prawn and salmon with spinach dish. Thanks for watching guys. Please hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you're notified of all my future videos, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you're having for dinner this evening. Okay guys, take care, see you soon, bye.